Teacher in the court? Teacher in the court!
Oh, the teacher in the court.
A teacher is a maker of man. He is foundation for all the education.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
Why are you doing? What happened here?
No, nothing. Just thinking about something.
What are you thinking about? You're really dejected. What's the matter?
A week ago, I was coming home from university. It was noon. The sun was shining bright. There was a roundabout, a big roundabout. I had to cross and then I had to move left towards my home. I thought, what the hell to drive through a big roundabout? Why not I cross through the mid of the roundabout? And seventh time, I saw a policeman standing there.
Oh, policeman.
Yeah, he saw me and didn't care. I crossed there. I saw towards him, turning my neck through the mirror of the car. I smiled sarcastically and felt joy on my face.
Oh, you smile.
Yeah.
Really?
I threw a smile towards him to celebrate enjoyment. When he saw me doing this, he stopped me and whistled. Policeman came to me and said to me, "License, please." I said, "I don't know the language." He said, "You're speaking quite right." I said, "No, you're talking a lie. I don't know language. I can't understand you." He said, "No, give me your license." I said to him, "If I don't have license, what will you do?" He said, "I'll fine you. Take the slip of $10 and deposit it at the post office."
Oh, $10. It's too much.
Yeah, I said to him, "Sir, I have committed a mistake, but it's too much." He said, "No, you have to pay it, mister." I couldn't deposit that and forgot. After 3 days, I received a telegram, but again I forgot. At the evening, I received a letter in the court present before me. Oh,
In the hall.
yeah.
Oh.
And it was assured that not only abiding law, neglecting my duty, I will be fair tried. I was out of my bed, ready to face music. Let's see what happens.
Inshallah, everything will be okay. Hey, the accused, Mr. Ishmael Ahmad, come in the court. You are asked to come in the court.
Where were you fined? You were ordered to deposit it in the post office. Why did not you have deposited?
Sorry, Your Honor. It's my negligence. I should deposit it, but
How much you have wasted the time of the court, of the staff, of the police? You must be careful that we will ensure civil punishment for that.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'm a foreigner here. I don't know the customs, and I'm not aware of the land law. Please oblige me.
You are talking quite right and you are expressing yourself right. What do? The court is asking you that who are you? What is your profession?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm a teacher, professor in the University of Rome.
Teacher in the court? Teacher in the court!
Oh, the teacher in the court. The all chairs stand in the order of teacher.
Chair should be brought for the teacher.
Yes, Judge.
The teacher has come to the court. You are a teacher. You can't stand in the court. Please sit down. Please sit down. Oh, honorable teacher. Oh, the knowledge giver to the world. Oh, the most respectable man. Oh, the dignity of mankind. You ordered us to be honest and stay and just. You, because of your given knowledge, we are sitting here. We are helpless according to your teaching. We are bound to cheat according to the court regulation. In spite of all this, we are ashamed and sorrowful that we are taking a trail of a teacher. It is very painful for a judge that a teacher has gone in the court for a trial.
Your Highness, Your Honor, whatever the laws, rules, or regulations say, do according to these, I am present.
With too much embarrassing grief and sorrow, you are fined double of it. Now $20.
You are free to go, Mr. Ishmael, out of the court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
A teacher is a maker of man. He is foundation for all the education. No nation reconstruction is possible without the active cooperation of teacher. Their audience, the teacher is really great. Great nations are not great because of their wealth, resources, but they are great because they love, respect their teachers. That's all.